What's up, everybody? Welcome to the channel. It's Right On Repair, and if you're here looking for expert advice, you've come to the wrong place. That's not me. It's not what I do, but we'll take you along whenever we get into silly stuff like what we're going to talk about today, which is Fred the Ford. Fred is a 1990 F-150 302 automatic. XLT Lariat package, all the good stuff. Power windows, power locks, tilt steering. Yeah, all stuff we take for granted these days, but back when this truck was new in 1990, which is 32 years old, this was a deluxe rig right here, and you had one of these, man, you were cowboy awesome. These trucks go way back with me because everybody I knew had one. We weren't a big Ford family, but a lot of other folks were. Friends had them in high school, old hand-me-down pickup trucks, their dad's old truck. Shooting this truck when I was 16, this was brand new. Buddy's dad had one like this one. He had, you gotta see this. Let me show this to you. See that little Doomaflachi right there? You know what that is? You identify it? Do you remember it? Give you another hint. Look right there in the back window. That is an antenna mount. That is an old school car phone mount. You had one of those in your pickup truck, man. You were something. Now, Fred here is he's very well seasoned veteran of the American highway. Shows 53,000 miles. It does not have 53,000 miles on it. There's no way. I think 153 might be a little bit shy. Either way, Fred's bones are good. They are solid. Drove it home. Did not pay crap for this truck, and it ran and drove home. Now, did it drive nice? No. Did it run great? No. But it got here, and it was only about a mile and a half, so take it how you will. But I have driven it around the neighborhood quite a bit, just testing things after we get it done, make sure it feels good. But old Fred's got a lot of life left in him. Only thing that's really bad right now, as far as being able to hop in and just go anywhere, it's got a little runnability problem where past about half throttle, it just acts like it doesn't have any power. Tack starts jumping around, so we got to figure that out. Fred, like I said, is the 302 automatic or 5-liter automatic. Just a beastly little power plant. So far what we've done, we've come in and done an ignition tune-up, made it idle a little bit smoother. Somebody before us has done some work like a new IAC motor. There's a new AC hose there. There's a relatively recent power steering hose. Power steering leaks. Somebody did that. Really good. And a fresh belt. Cleaned up the battery wiring. Simple stuff, really. But we do have a ways to go till we figure out why Fred's not running so good. As long as you keep it below half throttle, it's fine. You would never even know. But, it could be fuel pressure. Could be a stopped up catalytic converter. We just don't know yet. Could be ignition. Don't think it is, but it could be. Now, moving along down old Fred's well patinaed body, you see things like this. We have some rust holes. Pinky finger slip in there. Not quite in that one, but that's enough. Anytime you have a hole, that's enough. Back window's broken out. That one scheduled to be replaced just anytime. Just the glass guy's going to come over and we'll get it whooped in there. Got this little panel for the tailgate. Neighbor across the street had a spare one. Figure out how to get it on there because the little tabbies are broke off, but we'll get it figured out. Gonna whoop the rear wheels off, take them up to the tire shop and get a couple of really high-end, high-performance tires put on it. No, they're gonna be the cheapest ones they have. Now, let's check out this divine interior. I know y'all can't wait. Like all the pollen, isn't that awesome? Yeah. Welcome to Texas in the spring. So, this door panel is, almost really nice. And like that, the rest of the interior is just mint. The gauge cluster pieces we have removed, dealing with a coolant temp gauge and an oil pressure gauge that do not work, just making sure everything's hooked up. Just got to put everything back together. Window motor on the passenger door, the gears were stripped, replaced those, just got it put back together night before last, and just had to put the door panel back on. Have done a little bit of cleaning on the carpet. Yeah, it's still pretty ugly, but we'll make it better. Fine saddle blanket seat covers might be in order. I love those. Replace the door pin down there. That's fun. Enjoyed that. All right. There he comes. That fast tile coming on. That light right there is a not check engine, but big red engine trouble light, and that's because those two gauges are dead. So give it a second here. Idle down a little bit. See, that window rolls down. That one rolls down. Look at that. Man, just like new. I'm telling you. Runs pretty good, pretty smooth. It's got a little wobble in there, which don't know what that is. You know, all the ignition's fresh. Somebody had actually been in there not long before us. It had pretty new plugs in it. So whatever this runnability problem is, I'm gonna look for things that haven't been replaced and probably replace those, because probably where our problem was. Pretty snappy, huh? I didn't show you. Look at all that dust. Isn't that awesome? It doesn't smoke a bit. I mean, not even a little bit. Fires up, nice and clean. Yeah. You can hear there's a major exhaust leak, because yeah, that's the exhaust system. This muffler and tailpipe were just laying in the bed when we picked it up, so we just kind of slipped it on there so it'd be quiet. So, this is Fred. Y'all say hi. So we're gonna just do a little this and that on old Fred, and see if we can't find him a new home where he can live on as a, maybe a kid's first car. My kids all absolutely love the truck. They're like, can we keep it? And well, I'm not really willing to let it sit around until y'all are ready to drive it. And so we'll just sell it to someone else who is in need of a decent old pickup truck. I wouldn't enter any shows. It's anyway, thank you guys for joining us. Really appreciate it. We've got other stuff in the works. Little four-wheelers that, well, should just been a bit mistreated. I have another project that is not quite as big as these. It's hopefully a lot simpler anyway, but that's in the works. Again, Facebook friends will know what I'm talking about, I'm sure, but keep the YouTube audience in suspense. Again, thank you for joining us. We're going to try to have a little fun, learn some stuff, take y'all along for the ride. Have a good one. Talk to you later. She loves these road trips. She always loves seeing what kind of junk I find. Let's see. I'm going to make a turn up here on the street. It's a long road trip. All right, everybody. So here is the item in question. Are you ready for this? Look at this unit. 90 Ford F150. She's sad a bit in her life, but I should have brought y'all along for the fire up, because it does actually run, but we're having a little problem with getting power to the old solenoid Fires up. Does not have a muffler on it, I'm guessing. And she is a peach. Do you think it's worth dicking with? No?
It's new, but it's...
All right. We are out of the building. All right, we'll get the boy in the truck. Huh? All right. Hey, thanks, David.
Hey, do me a favor. Text me your YouTube
Will do.
thing, because I definitely want to watch to see what you do.
Awesome, awesome.
I appreciate it.
Will do, brother. All right, you ready for this? Oh!
Oh, thanks!
Free trans...
That's nice.
Ooh.
Still has one.
Yeah, bet it works.
Probably.
Bet not. Yeah. Oh, there's second gear. All right. Yeah. Oh, you put your seatbelt on. You have faith that it's not going to explode. Burn up.
That's okay.
I want to be thrown free. Well, as you can see, my wife, she gone. She was like, you got it. You bought it. You deal with it if it breaks. Oh, Mama left me a spot. They're all waiting, going, what did you bring home?
Look at Eli's face.
Eli's going, what is this clapped out hunk of crap? It's got good brakes.
Dude, that's cool.
Isn't it awesome?
That's cool.
Hey, drove all the way here. It's cold. No, that's not getting cold at all. The air doesn't work.
Well, the defrost does, so I don't take us for a ride.
Huh?
You take us for a ride?
You want to go for a ride? They think I'm awesome. Young girls, old guy, old truck cruising the neighborhood.
Yeah.
They're probably back there going,
Yeah, probably.
Well, looking through here, this box was sitting here in the console cup holder. I didn't bother looking at it when we were there, but we can see what that is. Maybe it's a good thing we weren't driving far. We have a leaky wheel cylinder. Never hit the brakes very hard. That, or we just got a, something to put on the shelf. Pretty cool. All right, so we're home. We drove her around. She first pulled up in the driveway. She went ahead and marked her territory. I don't know if she's doing it anymore. Let's see. Kind of wonder if it's power steering. Yeah, it's coming from the front and it's ATS, so I'm thinking it might be power steering. So, Mechanic Willie is going ahead and removing this decrepit old bug guard that's...
First time.
Did it have any other screws in it?
Oh, one, and
It had one?
Phillips. Everything. They have a whole bunch of other screws, but it's all dry rotted and broken off, sort of.
That's top quality right there.
Eli's stomping puddles.
Of course. Oh, dude, no. Really? Heavens to Betsy, Eli. I tell you what, I just don't know what to think of you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Rip it off.
Woohoo!
Yeah.
Rust, put it back on. Put it. No, I'm kidding.
What?
Ah, much better.
Okay.
Ah, see that right there? That's just characters. What that is.
It's not that bad too.
So,
But it holds.
Still rust, but
yeah.
it's not a hole.
What a peach. I'd say this is the TV side right here. Ooh, oh, what is that? Oh, well, guessing she's had a fix-it or two here and there.
Oh, Bondo.
I see the Pookie now. That's all right. Eli's gonna help with trash. What you gonna do with that, huh?
He says we're gonna fix
Gonna fix it?
He's gonna put it on a 4-wheeler.
What's going on? That part. Let's see. Where's the key? Turn key on? All right. Press the button. See what happens.
My guess is it's a gear has come off.
Okay. You did a good job.
Thank you.
Now we can just see all these holes even better. That's all right. Ooh, free washer. Free washer. Yeah, yeah. Those could be important. We just don't know. Yeah, you can put them on in the coffee can over there, or my storage device over there. Good old Folgers can. All right. So now we pressure wash this dog. Well, go look at that hole groove.
So that's what it should look like. That's what this one looks like.
Yeah. And, do you remember where there are holes?
Because he fell through it.
Yeah. That's just from the bedside.
Yeah.
So it's dark, but we finally got Fred the Ford clean. You can see the dents a whole lot better as it's clean. Nice and shiny. Haven't dried it yet. See the dents much better. That looks good. We didn't even know it was black until now. The bed's all clean. Can't really see, it's too dark.